Iqbal was born and raised in Sialkot, Punjab, British India and studied at Scotch Mission College in Sialkot and Government College in Lahore. He taught Arabic at the Oriental College, Lahore, from 1899 until 1903, during which time he wrote prolifically. Notable among his Urdu poems from this period are Parind Ki Faryad, A Bird's Prayer, an early contemplation on animal rights, and Tarana A, Hindi, Anthem of the Indians, a patriotic poem, both composed for children. In 1905, he departed from India to pursue further education in Europe, first in England and later in Germany. In England, he earned a second BA at Trinity College, Cambridge, and subsequently qualified as a barrister at Lincoln's Inn. In Germany, he obtained a PhD in philosophy at the University of Munich, with his thesis focusing on the development of metaphysics in Persia in 1908. Upon his return to Lahore in 1908, Iqbal established a law practice but primarily focused on producing scholarly works on politics, economics, history, philosophy, and religion. He is most renowned for his poetic compositions, including Asrar-e-Khudi, Ramaz-e-Bekhudi, and Bang-e-Dara. His literary works in the Persian language garnered in recognition in Iran. An ardent proponent of the political and spiritual revival of the Muslim world, particularly of the Muslims in the Indian subcontinent, the series of lectures Iqbal delivered to this effect were published as The Reconstruction of Religious Thought in Islam in 1930. He was elected to the Punjab Legislative Council in 1927 and held several positions in the All India Muslim League. In his Allahabad address, delivered at the League's annual assembly in 1930, he formulated a political framework for the Muslim-majority regions spanning northwestern India, spurring the League's pursuit of the two-nation theory. In August 1947, 9 years after Iqbal's death, the partition of India gave way to the establishment of Pakistan, a newly independent Islamic state in which Iqbal was honored as the national poet. He is also known in Pakistani society as Hakim-ul-Amat, lit. The Wise Man of the Ummah, and as Mufakir-e-Pakistan, lit. The Thinker of Pakistan. The anniversary of his birth, Yom-e-Waladat-e Muhammad Iqbal, 9 November, is observed as a public holiday in Pakistan.